Hi there, I'm Courtney and I'm going to teach you guys how to make little stars with embroidery. I have all of my things here. I have my embroidery floss, my needle, my snips, and my pre-framed fabric. First thing I'm going to do is grab 2 strands of embroidery floss. As you can see, I'm pulling strands out of the thread one at a time. So I have my 2 strands here. All I'm going to do is thread my needle first. Pull it part way through. I'm going to use this little trick of winding the end of my thread around my needle and pulling it through. This creates a little knot at the end. So what I'm going to want to do is bring the needle up at one point, and you can see that the fabric sort of has lines that can guide you. So I'm going to want to follow this up, following the grain of the fabric, pull it through, and you don't want to make an X. You don't want to have it all the way up at the top. You want to kind of bring it down to make it so that the vertical line is the biggest. But all we're going to do is come out here, and then you want to mirror that on the other side. So try to make it so this is the same. So this should be about here. And there we have a little X. So all we're going to want to do now is go up. So we're creating another angle here, the same as this. So we're going to be coming up here and following that back down to the other corner. And that's it. So easy. So we're going to go to the back, knot our thread. I like to use 2 knots to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. And pull that, snip, and then you see how this one's a little long. I'm going to snip this too.